Welcome to NewPig. This is where we develop solutions to age-old problems. And one problem I know you're familiar with is keeping your facility clean and safe. At NewPig, we're rolling out solutions to that problem all the time.
And when it comes to being clean and safe, let's start at your front door. All mats are not created equal. Some can bunch up and move out of position. And when it rains, well, that's when you really need grippy adhesive back floor mats. An adhesive back mat that stays exactly where you put it. And it's absorbent.
And we've got a special carpet protection runner with adhesive backing, made specifically to protect your carpets from unwanted spills and stains. It can also cover well-worn carpeting in high-traffic areas to prevent further damage.
Floors and surfaces aren't the only things you have to be concerned about. Look up. Water problems can come at you from every direction. Pig roof, ceiling, and pipe leak diverters let you channel water away from the problem area until you can find and fix your leak.
And even when you think you have it contained, water has a way of setting you straight. Because wherever there's water, there's always that potential for a leak or spill. Put NewPig's Absorb&Lock water absorbent products in place to prevent the spread of any potential leaks. When it comes to clean, every surface presents the potential for problems or issues. That's where our wipers come in. You can apply your own cleaner to control the level of disinfectant that's most appropriate for your needs. Whether it's computers, switches, surfaces, you name it, we've got the wipers that can handle it.
Speaking of clean, we've got you covered, literally, with our restroom mats with adhesive backing. It's a high priority for any company to keep their restrooms clean and accident-free.
And please, keep in mind, these are just some of our solutions. We're all about partnering with you, helping you to keep your facilities
Cleaner.
Safer.
better. That's NewPig.